All right, we have a pretty significant update in the classified documents trial against former President Donald Trump. Judge Aileen Cannon just filed a document announcing a date for the trial for the Mar-a-Lago documents case. And that date is that the case will begin May 20th, 2024 in Fort Pierce, Florida. There are also numerous court dates prior to trial listed for various motions, so a lot will be happening before May 20th, 2024. There was a lot of discussion about what the date should be or could be, and both sides wanted something completely different, Joe.
Well, they did. I mean, Judge Cannon, of course, remember, Judge Cannon had been roundly criticized and rebuked by the conservative 11th Circuit for some past decisions. So there had been some skepticism of her ability to handle this case in a fair and impartial way. But I will tell you, I think most attorneys I spoke with thought that the Fed's date that they suggested, the end of December, was probably too soon because of how complex the case was, and thought that Donald Trump's suggestion, his attorney's suggestion that it be held after the election in 2025, also unrealistic. I've got to say, again, I'm an attorney, but I have no grasp of just how complex a case like this could be. When you look at the mountains of evidence that the federal government has against Donald Trump, you look at the files, my God, the files, you look at the fact that we're talking about classified documents. It's an extraordinarily complicated case. I was always skeptical about the December timeline. I must say, May 20th, 2024, it seems very reasonable. It seems like a reasonable date. It seems like it's far enough in the future to be fair to the defendant.
After the primary.
President Trump. Yeah, politically it'd be after the primary. But if you're a judge, you're not looking at that. And I think this date makes an awful lot of sense. So we will see as we move forward. But obviously, there's going to be a lot of coverage between now and then. A lot of dates, obviously, court dates, too.